Thing I want to show you guys is this SmittyBilt heavy duty air compressor. Comes with this nice carrying case, and inside you'll find the yellow coil attached to the compressor itself, which is pretty heavy duty. Comes on a base with some rubber feet so that it doesn't walk while it's vibrating, but you should still always use it, you know, on the ground, on a hard surface. The hose is attached to it, attached to the coil, and then attached to this, which you will thread onto your tire, and it has a tire gauge, and it's actually pretty accurate, this one, so you can actually trust this. And then from the compressor are the jacks, so you just plug this right onto your battery. So I'll show you all how to use it really quick. So first things first, you know, positive is red and negative is black, so we want to put the positive end of these on the positive end of our battery. Get it on here. And to the negative end of our battery as well. So the next, we'll take the compressor over here and make sure that you have this valve threaded onto the tire. That was my nice neighbor is asking if I needed a jump start. So we'll take this part, thread it onto the tire, turning it clockwise, obviously, to engage it. So you'll hear some air come out at first, you know, but it should be secure, and it'll actually read your current tire pressure. So it's very low here. They do it actually by 5 tick marks, which I don't know why you'd ever need to know that you're filling up to 150, maybe for some serious like construction, but I wish they would have made the tick marks bigger. That's the only complaint. So I'll start my stopwatch here. All right, first I gotta turn the truck on because this runs from the battery, so you're gonna need the truck running. So now that the truck's on, I can start my stopwatch, and we'll see how fast it takes to inflate this. So as you can see, you can still hear me. It's pretty quiet for such a heavy-duty compressor. They say in order to get the best reading, you'll want to turn the compressor off. And there we are at about 30 psi, and that only took about 1 minute and 20 seconds from 15.